What's good, YouTube? I'm back with another video, and today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to cook up a Bossman Dlow type beat inside of FL Studio. Alright, so the first thing I did was went to Contact 8 and added this piano, and then I came up with this chord progression. Then I copied that same piano to another channel and took the bass line from the chords and copied them to the low end. Then I copied that same piano again and came up with this melody. And the reason I put 3 pianos on 3 different channels instead of putting the chords and melodies all on one channel is because I wanted to be able to EQ them separately. That way when you mixing, you got more control over each melody. Then I went to Contact 8 again and added this violin, and I came up with this counter melody. Then I started working on my drums, and the first thing I came up with was this 808 pattern. Then I copied all of those same notes from the 808 and layered it with this kick drum. Then the next drum I added was this clap. Then I layered that clap with this snare drum. The next thing I added was these hi-hats, and it's just the basic hi-hat pattern with this hi-hat roll right here down at the end. Then I added this rim shot right here down at the end for some percussion. And then the last thing I added was this zap percussion that you see hitting twice right here. Alright, so I showed you all the drums and instruments that I use for that Bossman Dlow type beat. Now I done structured everything into a song, and I'm gonna give y'all a quick preview of how everything sound together. Alright, so that was a quick video showing y'all how to make a Bossman Dlow type beat inside FL Studio. I hope I was able to help somebody out with this video. If it did, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I got a whole lot of videos just like this that's on the way, so y'all stay tuned. But until the next one, I'ma holla at y'all. Peace.